Welcome back to YouTubeGrowth Academy. If you've ever dreamed of monetizing your YouTube channel, you probably already know one of the biggest hurdles: completing 4,000 hours of watch time within 12 months. For many creators, this feels like an impossible mountain to climb. But today, I'm going to share a powerful hack and several bonus strategies that will make hitting that 4,000 hour milestone much faster and easier than you think. First, let's break it down. 4,000 hours means 240,000 minutes of watch time. Sounds huge, right? But don't worry. Once you know how to structure your content properly, you can get there step by step without burning out. So, what's the hack? The real secret is creating long-form, binge-worthy content. YouTube's algorithm doesn't just count views, it cares about how long people are staying on the platform. If your videos keep viewers hooked, your watch time skyrockets. Let me give you an example. Imagine you upload a 3-minute video and get 1,000 views. Even if everyone watches the full video, that's only 3,000 minutes. Now imagine uploading a 15-minute video with the same 1,000 views. That's 15,000 minutes, 5 times more watch time with the same number of views. This is why focusing on longer videos that actually deliver value is the fastest way to reach monetization. Now, let's dive into practical steps. Step 1. Create series or playlists. Don't just post random standalone videos. Structure your content like episodes. For example, if you have a cooking channel, make a playlist called 7 Days of Easy Dinner Recipes. If you run a tech channel, create Beginner's Guide to Editing Videos. Part 1, Part 2. Part 3. When viewers watch one video and immediately move on to the next, your total watch time grows massively. Playlists also signal to YouTube that your content keeps people on the platform, which helps your videos get recommended more often. Step 2. Master audience retention. It's not enough to upload long videos. You need to keep viewers watching. It means grabbing attention in the first 10 seconds, delivering value quickly, and cutting out boring parts. Use hooks like "stay until the end," because I'm going to share a secret strategy that most YouTubers don't know. This keeps people engaged longer, and every extra minute adds up toward your 4,000 hour goal. Step 3. Go live. Live streams are an underrated hack for boosting watch time fast. Imagine going live for 1 hour with 50 viewers. It's 50 hours of watch time in a single session. Do that consistently, and your 4,000 hour goal will come much closer. Plus, live streams build a stronger bond with your audience, making them more likely to watch your regular uploads. Step 4. Use evergreen topics. If you make videos on trendy topics, you might get a spike of views, but they often die quickly. Evergreen videos content that stays relevant for years will keep generating watch time month after month. For example, how to start a YouTube channel in 2025 will stay valuable for a long time and continue adding to your total watch hours. Step 5. Promote your playlists outside YouTube. Don't rely only on the algorithm. Share your playlists on social media, embed them on your website, or drop them in relevant online communities. The more entry points you create for viewers, the more minutes they'll watch. Now here's a bonus tip that can give you a real edge. Focus on audience interaction. Ask viewers to comment, run polls, and respond to them. The more engaged they feel, the more likely they are to binge watch your videos. And remember, loyal viewers contribute to watch time far more than random clicks from strangers. Another pro hack is repurposing. If you have a long piece of content, like a live stream or podcast, cut it into smaller clips and upload them as individual videos. Those clips can attract new viewers, and some will go back to watch your full content, boosting overall watch time. So, let's quickly recap. To reach 4,000 hours of watch time, focus on longer videos. Create binge-worthy playlists. Hook your audience for better retention. Use live streams to multiply watch hours. Target evergreen topics. Promote your content everywhere and build strong audience interaction. If you stay consistent with these strategies, hitting 4,000 hours will not just be possible, it'll be inevitable. And remember, monetization isn't the finish line, it's the starting point of turning your channel into a real business. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to YouTubeGrowth Academy, where I share proven hacks to grow, monetize, and scale your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.